When we traveled to the Galapagos Islands, we definitely overpacked and brought things we didn't truly need.
This is going to be our efficient Galapagos packing list so that when you get prepared for your Galapagos cruise, you will take exactly what you need. We're going to break this down by the elements: sun, sea, and sand. If it doesn't belong in one of those elements, you probably don't need it.
And that's because in the Galapagos, the elements there dictate what you actually need to bring.
Let's start with the most dangerous element, the sun. Remember, you are at the equator. You can burn in as little as 15 minutes even on a cloudy day, so sun protection is very important.
The first thing you're definitely going to want to bring with you is a sun hat with a wide brim and a chin strap. Secondly, you're going to want long sleeve shirts and long pants that are UV protection and light to keep you cool during the day and allow you to apply less sunscreen.
Speaking of sunscreen, this is very important. Please read your label before you head off to the Galapagos because this is a very fragile ecosystem. It must be biodegradable and reef safe. The final thing we want to bring up is the polarized sunglasses. You will also need to protect your eyes, but when you're on the Zodiac going across the ocean, you'll be able to see past that glare on the ocean and see the sharks and turtles from the boat.
Now let's move on to the sea. The first thing you're going to want to bring for the water is a couple pair of bathing suits. You might be able to get by with just one, but with two, you'll always have one that's dry and ready to wear. Next, wetsuits. The ship will almost certainly have a supply of wetsuits for you, but if you happen to have your own or you have prescription snorkel gear, something like that, you might want to bring that as well.
And speaking of wetsuits, I highly recommend rash guards for both top and bottom. Not only does it provide you a little bit of extra warmth in the water, but also provides extra sun protection. It makes it easier to get in and out of that wetsuit. The other thing is a dry bag. When you are getting into a Zodiac and going across to the water, you want to protect your equipment and your phone. So having a dry bag just makes it safe.
Finally, if you're prone to seasickness like I am, you might want to get a prescription for a patch or some other medications to help if you are prone to seasickness.
The final element is sand or land. In the Galapagos, the terrain is wild. You could be walking on white sandy beaches one minute and sharp lava rock the next. So footwear here is important. One of the items that we didn't have that we wish we had was hiking sandals, and that is for the wet landings where you're jumping off the Zodiac into the ocean knee deep and then walking onto sand. That would have been a great item to have and highly recommended.
Secondly, for those days when you're walking on lava rock, we highly recommend a closed-toe shoe with good traction to help protect your feet and keep you from slipping on the lava rock if it happens to be wet. Next, if your expedition does not provide a reusable water bottle, we highly recommend you bring one because you're going to get thirsty. And lastly, we highly recommend you bring a moderately structured backpack, day pack to carry that water, the other items that you're not using all the time, just a simple way to have those items with you so you can keep your hands free for your phone, your camera, what have you.
So there you have it. That's our short list. If you stick to the framework of sun, sea, sand, you should be good for your Galapagos cruise. Remember, you do not want to be dragging around a 50-pound piece of luggage.
Ultimately, packing for the Galapagos is not about packing a lot. It's about packing smart. So if what you're bringing doesn't make your trip safer or more comfortable, you probably don't need it. And lastly, don't hesitate to reach out to your expedition company to verify what they're providing for you on the ship so you don't inadvertently bring something that's already going to be there waiting for you.
So as a bonus, we've added a free PDF in the description of this video. Go download it now. It's a full list. So this was our short list. The document is the full list. And if you want to go see our original 18-minute video about packing, I'll add a link here, but honestly, you just saw our better version.
Something like that, you might want to bring it as well.
It took so long now I forgot what I was going to talk about. On the safe side. That was me.
Oh.
The final element is sea or land. The Galapagos terrain, what?
You said sea, not sand.
Oh my God. I noticed on one of the videos, you know,
We
when I
made a
said,
blooper.
yeah, on one of the videos where I talk about zodiac and I put up or Kodiak and I say zodiac, I misspelled zodiac. I'm gonna leave it.
Some other medications to help if you are prone to seasickness.